Welcome to Canaan Semiconductor Limited's presentation of metallic LED touch switch. On the outside, it looks the same as a normal metallic switch. If you turn on the X-ray, you will find a highly integrated PCB module is installed in the switch. The PCB is connected to the metal touchpad through conductive epoxy. Touching the metal touchpad will trigger the PCB module to turn on the light of either LEDs, D1 or D2. The LED light will shine through the transparent plastics and be observed by the user. All this functionality is being controlled by Canon's IC CS3T113, which is U1 in this picture. An isolation plastic is placed in between the metallic case such that the lower portions of the metallic case are filled with hard epoxy to provide water and airtight installation of the PCB module into the metal case. The PCB module is also connected to the outside world through 4 wires, which provide the touch status and the power supply to the PCB module. To understand how these 4 wires work, we can take a look at the schematic. As you can see, the power supply is connected to the LDO-U2, which is a CS7R75 IC. The LDO will generate a 5V to power the touch sensor IC U1 CS3T113, the LEDs, and the output driver transistor Q1, which in this particular case is a CS9N060 9A 60V N-Channel MOSFET. Besides the 2 power supply wires, the 2 wires is another ground wire and the wire that connects to the drain of the open drain connected MOSFET Q1. This open drain construction allows a load to be connected in between a positive voltage and the drain of Q1. The voltage to load can be a high 60V DC with 9A current. All this high-performance schematic is placed onto a small PCB module, which is then inserted into an isolation plastic. The PCB module with insulation plastic is placed inside the metal case of the switch, with the tip of the module electrically connected to the metal touchpad by using some conductive epoxy. The hard epoxy will be filled on the top of the isolation plastic to mechanically strengthen the structure and makes the switch to be air and watertight. After the hard epoxy dried up, you will have a functioning LED metallic touch switch. Each touch will toggle the connections of Q1 and change the color of the LED, with green indicates Q1 being off and blue means Q1 is on. Everything required to build this exciting LED metallic touch switch are supplied by Canon, which includes all the ICs, the PCB modules, and complete switch product with MOSFET SS switch. Other types of switching devices are also available, which include triac, optocoupler, and micro relay. Thanks for watching this video. You may contact Canon via email and phone number on this screen.